How to change product URL in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to have a product URL changed. It is going to be also known as a URL handle or slug handle. So we're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Once we have been here, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. Head over to the left side of the screen and click on products. On the products, we're going to have already a product. So it is going to be a process that is, let's say, set up to a specific product. I'm going to click on this. Now here we have the product editor, like the title, the description, the media, the prices, the whatever. And here you go. Now, what we're going to do next is going to be scrolling down until we're going to find the search engine listing. As you can see, we're going to have the name of the store and also a URL for this specific product. It is going to be having the name or the URL name of Croc Sandals. I'm going to click on edit, scroll down. Here we have the page title, meta description, and the URL handle. On the URL handle, you're going to have the URL. So in here, we have Croc Sandals, as you can see, as the name of the page title. We can go ahead and have the Croc Sandals, and here they are. Now, what I'm going to do, basically is going to be very simple. I can go ahead and head over the name and delete it. Or I can go ahead and delete at least till the first letter of it, because it is not going to let me delete it. Look, I'm going to delete till right there. So we're going to have Crocs, for example, and I'm going to delete the first C. Maybe we're going to have it as Crocs like that. So it is going to create a URL redirect for Croc Sandals to Crocs. So from now on, it is going to be having the instead of Croc Sandals, Crocs. So this is for the new visitors. But for the search engines that have proposed that this Crocs is going to be a Croc Sandals from before, and the search engines have chosen to show this, they're going to be only having this or this specific Crocs as a specific area. So I mean by that, it is going to show for some people Crocs and for other people Croc Sandals, and it is going to redirect to Crocs. So that was pretty much it for today's video. As you can see, for changing a product URL, if you're going to create a new product, you can go ahead and set it up from the beginning to whatever that you want. Make sure that you're going to set up the title, because the URL slug or the URL handle is going to be based on the title. For example, I'm going to have football shoes. This is the title. I'm going to copy and paste it on description. Scroll down and you are going to find search engine listing. As you can see, football shoes. I'm going to click on edit. This is the handle, football shoes. If I'm going to change it before I click on save, for example, basketball shoes, you're going to find it that it is going to change. Do you see here? So I'm going to change it maybe to another thing like men's shoes. I'm going to select this, copy, put the title. Look, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.